Good afternoon. I would like to send this package to London, please.
Hello there. You chose a very good day to visit the post office.
Is it very expensive to send a parcel to the United Kingdom?
It depends on the weight and the speed of the delivery.
I have some fragile ceramics inside this box for my friend.
We should check if the box is strong enough for the long journey.
I used a lot of bubble wrap to protect the items inside.
That is very smart because packages can move a lot on the plane.
Do I need to buy a special shipping box from you today?
Your box looks good, but we should add some strong tape.
I have some tape in my bag, or I can use yours.
You can use our professional brown tape for a better seal.
Thank you, Arthur. You are very helpful with the preparations.
Let's put the box on the scale to see the weight.
It feels like it is about 2 kilograms.
The scale says 1 kilogram and 800 grams exactly.
Is that a heavy package for international airmail?
No, it is a medium size. It is a very common weight.
What is the cheapest way to send this to London?
The standard service takes about 10 working days to arrive.
And what is the fastest option you have available?
The express service takes only 3 days, but it costs more.
My friend's birthday is in 5 days, so I need express.
Express delivery includes a tracking number for your peace of mind.
Can I see the location of the package on my phone?
Yes, you can check the status on our website at any time.
That is perfect. I want to know when she receives it.
Now we need to talk about the destination address.
I have the address written on this small piece of paper.
Please write it very clearly on the white label over here. Make sure you include the postal code for London.
The postal code is W1U6BH. Is that correct?
Yes, that looks like a valid code for the Central District.
Do I also need to write my own address on the box?
Yes, the return address goes in the top left corner.
What happens if the person is not at home during delivery?
They will leave a small card and try again the next day.
Can she pick it up from a local post office instead?
Yes, that is also an option if she has her identification.
I will send her a message with all the details later.
Don't forget to write the phone number of the receiver.
Is the phone number mandatory for international shipping?
It helps the delivery driver find the house much faster.
I have her mobile number right here in my contacts.
Your handwriting is very beautiful and easy to read.
Thank you. I tried to be very careful with the letters.
Now we have to fill out the blue customs declaration form.
What information do I need to provide on this form?
You must describe the contents and the value of the items.
I should write handmade ceramics and gift, right?
Yes, gift is important so they don't charge extra taxes.
The value of the ceramics is about 40 pounds.
Please write that amount in the small box at the bottom.
Do I need to list every single item in the box?
No, a general description like kitchenware is enough for the officers.
I am finished with the form. Where should I stick it?
Give it to me. I will put it in a transparent plastic pouch.
This post office is very organized and very clean today.
We like to keep everything in order for our customers.
Now we can move to the stamps and the payment.
Would you like some special stamps for your package?
Do you have any stamps with pictures of nature or animals?
We have a new series with birds of the forest.
Oh, the one with the little robin is very cute.
I will use 3 of those and 2 standard stamps.
It makes the box look very friendly and personal.
Most people use digital labels now, but stamps are better.
I agree. My friend loves collecting stamps from different countries.
Then she will be very happy to see these colorful birds.
What is the total cost for the express delivery to London?
The total is $25.50.
That is a bit more than I expected, but it is worth it.
You are paying for the speed and the tracking service.
Can I pay with my credit card or only with cash?
We accept cards, cash, and even mobile phone payments.
I will pay with my card. Here it is.
Please insert your card into the reader and wait.
The machine is asking for my signature on the screen.
Just sign your name with the plastic pen.
There. Is the transaction finished now?
Yes, it is successful. Here is your receipt and tracking code.
I will keep this receipt in my wallet until next week.
I will put the tracking number on this small card for you.
Thank you. It is easier to carry than the long receipt.
Do you have any letters to send today as well?
No, just this one package for my friend's birthday.
I will make sure it goes on the truck this evening.
That is great news. I hope it reaches London on time.
Our express service is very reliable and very fast.
I trust you, Arthur. You have been a wonderful clerk.
You know, this post office is over 100 years old.
Really? The wood on the counters looks very historic.
My grandfather worked here many years ago, too.
That is a wonderful family tradition, Arthur.
I like the smell of old paper and ink in the morning.
It feels very cozy and safe here, like a library.
Many people stop here just to talk and say hello.
I can see that. You are very friendly to everyone.
In a small town, the post office is the heart of the community.
Do you ever get very strange packages to send?
Once, I had to send a very large antique clock to Australia.
That must have been very difficult to pack and carry.
It took me 3 hours to make sure it was safe.
You take your job very seriously, and I like that.
Every package is a piece of someone's life and heart.
That is a very beautiful way to think about mail.
I'm glad I could help you with your ceramics today.
I will definitely come back here next time I need help.
We are open from 8 in the morning until 6 p.m.
Are you also open on Saturdays for a few hours?
Yes, we're open until noon on Saturdays.
That is good to know for my busy work schedule.
Is there anything else you need before you leave?
Maybe I should buy some extra envelopes for home.
We have a pack of 10 white envelopes for $3.
I will take 1 pack, please. I use them for my bills.
Here you are. They are high quality.
Thank you. I have everything I need now.
Have a pleasant walk home in the sunshine, Emma.
I will. The weather is perfect for a walk. Oh, I just remembered one small thing.
Yes? What is on your mind now?
Did I write the house number correctly on the label?
Let me check the box again for you.
I think I wrote number 42, but it might be 24.
You wrote 42. Is that wrong?
Let me check my phone one more time.
It is better to check now than later.
Oh, it is 42. I was just worried.
It happens to many people. Don't worry.
I don't want my ceramics to go to the wrong house.
The postal code and the street name are the most important.
I am sure the street name Baker Street is correct.
Like the famous Sherlock Holmes house in London?
Yes, my friend lives very close to that museum.
That is a very famous and popular area for tourists.
I visited her there last year. The streets are very narrow.
Our drivers are used to narrow streets in old cities.
I feel much better now that I checked the number.
Is there a doorbell at her house or a gate?
There is a large black gate with a small bell.
I will add a small note for the London driver about the gate.
Can you really do that? That would be amazing.
Please ring the bell at the black gate.
You are a very thoughtful person, Arthur.
It is a small detail, but it makes a big difference.
I am sure my friend will be very surprised and happy.
Gifts are the best part of my job at the post office.
I am ready to go now. I have the envelopes in my bag.
Have a lovely afternoon, and see you next time.
I am glad I came here today.
See you soon. Don't forget your receipt.
I have it right here in my hand.
She is a very polite young lady.
The post office is such a peaceful place.
Now, who is the next person in the line?
The sun is hitting the old windows so beautifully.
I should drink some water before the next customer.
I will go to the park and read my book now.
The express truck will be here in 2 hours.
I hope the ceramics don't break on the plane.
Boom. Done.
London is so far away, but mail makes it closer.
I love my job in this old wooden building.
I should buy a postcard next time I am here.
We have new postcards with city landscapes.
I will send one to my grandmother in the village.
Everything is in its place.
The door is a bit heavy and it makes a sound.
I should oil the hinges of that door tomorrow.
The air is fresh and cool.
The post office is now quiet for a moment.
I am going to have a very good day today.
I am going to have a very busy afternoon today.
Goodbye, little post office on the corner.
Goodbye, world of letters and packages.
I am happy I sent my gift today.
Next customer, please. How can I help you?